Good day, people. Good evening, good morning, whatever you are in the world. So nice to see you again and welcome back to the channel. This channel is really for you that loves music, loves the passion about it, and you are into song creation or you're into mixing or music production. So this channel is really for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And today we want to talk about how we start creating a song. Ready? Let's go! Okay, I'm a music producer from Sweden. I work with a lot of different artists, and sometimes they say to me, "Hey Isaac, can you just do something and so that we can have something to listen to and to start on?" How do you do that? It's impossible. No, it's not impossible. It is possible, and I'm going to show you one of my processes of doing so in terms of just getting started. Something to just, start with, I guess. Okay, so let's go. Hello, Logic. I want to show you. This is, again, just one of my processes in just starting things. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be very simple. It's a piano. Okay, so I just want to start to do something, and I'm going to sing a blah, blah, blah English lyric text to that and see if we can have some words pop out of that so that we can build on. So this is really, again, my go-to way, but just one of the ways I use. Okay. Okay, something like that. And let's see if we can build some kind of a blah, blah, blah lyric out of this. Let's try. Tell them where to ride, and then where it didn't go to find, and tell what I did the weirdest way. Yeah. Oh. Okay. And as you just heard, it's just something blah, blah, blah going on here. Tell them where to ride, and then where it didn't go to find, and tell what I did the weirdest way. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so this, I see this lyric as just a starting point, and to see if we can find some words in it, because I believe, and my experience is that when you do something like this in a blah 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 way, most of the times a couple of words just comes out of that, and that might be a hint to actually start working on those words. So let's see if we can find something. Okay. Let's make it easy, right? This is not an easy ride. Okay, that's not my best lyrics, but again, and then. Were we gonna find something? In a world we cannot find. And then. And tell what I did the weirdest way. Yeah. That's a pretty hard one. Well, we cannot find. Listen to the world we going. No. Okay, maybe not that one. Tell what I did the weird. I get caught up in the world. Okay. Fine. Caught up in the world of mine. My mind. Yeah. Something like that. Caught up in the world of mine. Caught up in the world of mine. Caught up in the world of mine. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So I think you get the idea of what I'm trying to do here. So let's listen to everything together. This is not an easy ride. In a world we cannot find. No, we can't. Caught up in the world of mine. Yeah. Oh. So, do you see what I'm saying when I just about getting a few words will pop out, and you can use those words to find your really meaning of the song, and the text many of the times comes more naturally if you do. So try that. Try to build something around. It doesn't have to be perfect in the beginning. Just the most important thing is that the main groove, the basics of the core is there, and then you can try to find those exact words. Maybe you have like words that describe a lot of things, and then you can just describe them a lot more and just fine-tune them a lot more. Let's see again. This is not an easy ride. In a world we cannot find. Caught up in the world of mine. Yeah. Oh. Caught up in the world of mine. That's not a bad lyric, in my opinion. Okay, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel, and don't hesitate to tell me what you want more of in the channel. Maybe you are more into mixing, maybe you're more into songwriting, maybe like this. Maybe you are more into music production, or there's a lot of other things in my world as a music producer that I'm doing. So there's some kind of lifestyle to it as well. When it comes to contract, when it comes to working with artists, to do this as a business and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to know more about that, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel. And also make sure you become a member of the channel, which includes a lot of special features, such as private studio tours, private Q&As, live sessions and all that. So that's also something they can do. Until next time, keep safe, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Take care.